Hi there. I recently was lucky enough to go on a trip to Italy. I spent 2 weeks between Florence and Rome, and I know they talk a lot about pickpocketers, and it's true because I met a couple in a lineup for one of the tours, and they were from Canada, and they got in the night before, and on the subway they had the lady had all her credit cards and money stolen. So I told her it's true, you got to keep your bag at the front where you can always see it. So I traveled all through Europe with this little bag because I went on tours all over the place. So I had day trips to Cinque Terre and Venice, so I needed to have everything with me. So this bag was small but really handy. It's a lightweight bag. It's by Kedzie. As you can see, we have a whole display. You can change the handles and change colors. Let me show you how much stuff I got in this tiny little bag. So back here I had my bottle of water and my 2 pairs of sunglasses, sunglasses and reading glasses. Actually, as I take things out. That was just in the back for easy access. And then in the main pocket here, what I liked is the main pocket is really deep, if you look how far down it goes. So I kept my credit cards and my passport down deep because it went to the very bottom, so it was really hard for, even if somebody opened it, for them to get all the way down. So I had my passport, I had my change in here, and then I had this little thing for my credit card, so they couldn't swipe, and anyway, so that was really far down, so it was really hard to get to. And then, because I did find one day, I was excited taking video, and I had taken my phone out of my bag, and which I usually never did because I actually wore it around my wrist most of the time, but for whatever reason I had stuck it in there. Then when I wanted to take a picture, I did open the bag, and then I was in a panic, but I realized nobody could have got in it because my stuff is deep. But anyways, so in the next pocket I had a little shopping bag, tote bag, my charger, and my hand sanitizer, and there's a pocket in here, so I put all my receipts. And then in this pocket, I had little things that I want to access. I had candy in here, and this, which I couldn't live without. This is our Jude's eyeglass cleaner, because when your sunglasses or your glasses are up on your head, I have a lot of hair products, so they get filmy very quickly, and this cleans it very quickly. And I guess the last thing I couldn't live without, and I didn't bring it here, is my phone with my Jacqueline Kent strap. The nice thing about it is that you don't have to worry about opening and closing your bag as often, because then you have it on your wrist at all times. And it was a really safe way for me not to be opening my bag all the time. So it was always closed and secure, and my phone was always ready and available on my thing. This is what it looks like. So basically, I always had my phone with me, and a lot of Italians actually wear these. So it's very easy to just, whip it up and be able to take a picture and then put it down. And because I needed Google Translate and Google Maps and everything, so my phone always needed to be handy so I can find my way around. So this was invaluable, and I didn't have to worry about the day I put my phone down. So it was always on my wrist. Well, that's everything, and I hope if you get a chance to travel, be safe and be smart with as a tourist. And these Kedzie bags, like I said, they're really great for travel. They're very light and they have lots of pockets, and you can change up straps, things like that.